Santa Fe Opera will have the world premiere of a new opera, The Pigeon Keeper, by David Hanlon, composer, and Stephanie Fleischmann, librettist. So what we are doing is, today we have a Sitzprobe, where Jayce Ogren will lead the Contemporary Directions Ensemble and our vocal ensemble and our student soloists for the first time. A Sitzprobe is the part of a process in rehearsing an opera when the orchestra and the singers first put the piece together. So it's my favorite part as a performer, as an opera singer, of the process. We rehearse just the music with piano for several weeks, and then the time that you get to just focus on the music entirely and hear the orchestration for the first time is the Sitzprobe. And that's the magic of the Sitzprobe. It's really coming to life and blooming right before us in real time.
Now say hello.
So it's an opportunity for the students here to get direct access to top-level professionals, to learn from them, and also for the professionals to hear this new piece that they've created, especially to hear the orchestration for the first time, and to make adjustments as needed. Partnering with professional opera companies, it's about, I think, pre-professional training for our students. They get to see what it's like to be a working professional, to see the standards that these really excellent artists have. It's an opportunity for our students to ask them questions, to see how this conductor, Kelly Kuo, who works in opera houses all over the country, puts a piece together and helps everyone along the way. Also, very much an opportunity to work with a living, breathing composer, and that's really gold for our students. It's a great opportunity to see inside the creative process.
We are really grateful to have the support of the Sally Fleming Masterclass series, and we're especially grateful for Arts Initiative for supporting this project. We wouldn't be able to do this without their generosity and the grants that we've received from them. As part of that, we have 2 masterclasses that will be offered to our students. One with Corey Ellison, the dramaturg, who will be working on arias with some of our advanced voice and opera students. Another masterclass with David Hanlon and Stephanie Fleischmann, the composer librettist team. And in that masterclass, they will work with our student soloists on excerpts from the opera. At the end of the week-long residency with rehearsals and masterclasses, we will have the final workshop presentation of The Pigeon Keeper in Stamps Auditorium on March 10th at 4 p.m. It's free of charge, no reservations are necessary, and there will be a feedback session after the presentation where the audience can share their thoughts and questions about the piece. The creators are really interested in whether or not it feels relevant, if it has resonance. So what's really exciting for our students is that they really get to be part of the creation of the new work. And that's an incredible opportunity to say that it's not professionals first, it's our students at SMTD. So we're really helping our students understand what it takes to create a new work, and they have a voice in that.